Finish. Good. Finish the other side of him, Matt. That's it. That's all we're working on. Good. Work him hard. Work him hard. Finish. Could have driven your legs and finished. Work him, work him, work him. Turn inside. Turn. Good. Better. Just watch your elbows. Turn inside. Lock him in. Forgot your legs. Look where you finished up. Drive, 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 drive. Got him. Turn inside. That's good. Just head up. Okay. Turn over. Left arm out the water. Control him underwater. Bad ball. Last one. Drive, 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 drive. Turn. Excellent. Long lever. Beat him.